Introducing the Solaris 48 Flybridge, launched at the Düsseldorf Boat Show in 2020. She is the fly version of the 48 Lobster. So you have another helm position up top, an additional sun lounging space. It's a fantastic driving position with all-round visibility. You can see it's this same ultra stylish with that superb paint finish. Really is unique in the market and will be of interest to the yachtsmen out there. Solaris Power have built a total of 18 of the 48 since 2020. There is a possible 2 cabins sleeping 4 people plus an optional crew cabin.